All right. We're going to get this started. I don't have a whole lot of time. Go ahead and type your name in the chat box if you are logging in. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. As a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I read the news, give my opinion, share suggestion. It is up to you to make an informed, intelligent decision on which direction you want to move into. I see Kathy. Oh, you're going to love this one, Kathy. We are deep involved in this. Kathy Keene from Hawaii. Dagmar, good morning. Brenda, good morning. Rick from Indonesia, good morning. Marnita, the connector from Colorado. Good morning, Elijah, good morning. So this information is hot off the press. And when I say hot off the press, it was just announced like less than 10 minutes ago. So I was going to wait until this is a Saturday. I got a lot to do today. And then I was going to do a live about this later this afternoon. But I was telling Marnita, no, I can't wait. I gotta talk about this now because we're at the end of the month right now. Now, you've heard me talking about IMC token for the last couple of months. And I extended an invitation and telling people that it first started out with the marketing arm of the IMC exchange called WCL reached out to me and wanted me to bring aboard crypto education to help educate their community, because their community that was coming on, a lot of them never even bought Bitcoin before. They never got involved with any crypto before. And this was the first time. They didn't know about wallets. They didn't know about how to move your crypto around, about security or any of that kind of stuff. And they needed education. So that's how it started. But I did my own research. And I already did a live the other day that I'm not going to redo right now because I want to get into the breaking news. But I went into very good detail as to why not only did I attach my brand, my crypto education to this company, but why I'm excited about their token and what it could possibly be worth in the future, and how the token has risen, is now at 38 cents. It'll be 39 cents sometime next week. And why you want to get your hands on as many tokens as possible. I missed Bitcoin. I missed Binance. I missed FTT. And I said, I'm not going to miss this. This is a very well done, controlled launch of a token that's the native token of an exchange that is licensed in the United States, in Wyoming. Most exchanges do not do business or even go through the process of getting licensed in the United States. Out of the hundreds of them out there, only 6 are licensed in the United States. The company has physical offices with real CEOs that I actually can sit down and meet with. So I jumped on board and I'm looking long-term, not getting rich quick. But getting rich quick is relative when you're talking about the crypto space. You know, we just read a story yesterday about the first Shiba billionaire, an individual that bought $3,700 worth of Shiba 11 months ago in August 2020, that's worth more than $1 billion today. Or about Hex. I personally have a friend that spent $4,700 on Hex January 2020. That September 2021, that same purchase is worth more than $7 million. So is this a guarantee that you get on a token at the beginning that you're going to get rich? No, there's no guarantee. But there is a strong possibility that you getting of the beginning of a token before anybody knows about it, that it's going to rise in value in the future. And you decide when you want to sell that token. My very first big break was with a token called Electronium. This was in 2017. I got this token on a pre-sale. I really didn't know what I was doing. I just knew that some new token out of the UK was launching, and they were saying they were going to be the next Bitcoin, the mobile version of Bitcoin for your apps or your cell phones, and they're selling it for dirt cheap. I didn't have a whole lot of money at the time, and I put about $750 on Electronium. That was September or August, September 2017, October, November, December, January. 4 months later, I sold. I made more than $60,000 in one day off of $750 that I spent. So you don't think I knew that this could work and started building my crypto portfolio and know how to flip and looking out for new coins? The IMC token, I put more than $15,000 on, not 750, 15,000 plus, with no guarantee of what it's going to do in the future. And again, you got to go back to my live I did the other day, and I break down exactly why and what I think it could possibly do in the future. My goal is to have 50,000 tokens. 50,000. I'm at 46,000 right now. Because I think, what if it hits $25, $50, $250 a token in the next 2 to 3 years? Is that a guarantee that's going to happen? No, no guarantee. What if it hits $5? What if it hits $1? I'm still up. I got it at 30 something cents. I still win. But what is the breaking news that dropped today? And I'm going to share this. Why I was saying you need to get as many tokens as you possibly can. Here's what just dropped today. This is what's happening in November. We've been in pre-sale. Well, I need to make this bigger. We've been in pre-sale all the way until from the last year until right now. We've been in pre-sale. This officially launches on 2 exchanges in November, November 1st. It's already up on the IMC exchange, and it's going to launch on the Emmet exchange. But in November, it is also going to be listed on CoinMarketCap. Think about what I just said right there. It's going to be listed on CoinMarketCap. My Morehouse brother Lamar just popped on. Lamar, you registered for this, but you never bought your tokens yet. You want to get your hands on as many as possible. Here is the layout of what's going to happen. Schedule for IMC token and Emmet exchange. 25 million followers reach. Now, for the past year, 3 million tokens every week and a half have been sold, meaning sold to the community in pre-launch. But none of them have been sold for a profit, meaning we're buying the token and we're holding it. So the value has steadily gone up from 20 cents to 38 cents. That's what's been happening. Now that it launches to the public, you can still get the tokens at a discount through us, but you also can get it on the exchange at a higher price. Here's what's happening. October 26th through the 31st, that was this week. These are influencers. Lil Jon, collaboration with famous music artists, TikTok, 1 million members, 1 million influence, YouTube 2.6 million, Instagram 4.9 million. Kobe Person, collaboration with famous influencer, TikTok 9.1 million followers, YouTube 6.2 million, Instagram 1.1 million. Zach Bernardez, promotion of IMC token by YouTuber with 50K followers. 10K USD Discord push. Build Discord channel with moderators and massive promotion. November 1st through November 7th. Influencer AMA. Celebrities answer questions related to IMC token in online chat. Soulja Boy. Collaboration with music artist, TikTok 1.9 million followers. YouTube 3.6 million. Instagram 6.7 million. Dan Folger. Collaboration with famous influencer, Twitter, 62K followers, Instagram, 267K. CoinMarketCap.com getting listed the first week of November. What do you think happens when tokens get listed? Kathy knows about what happened with Gala. When tokens get listed, Gala went from like a half a penny all the way up to like 8 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents by getting listed. November 7th to the 14th, second week of November. Collaboration, approach brands and influencers to promote the growth and the continued use of Emmet Exchange and IMC token, advanced analytics, compile data to analyze the best ads and most influential collaborations, aggressive marketing, create ads on Google Play Store and iOS App Store, utilize Google AdWords and binge search ads to target new users. November 14th through the 21st, major exchanges reaching out to medium and larger size exchanges to pursue IMC listing on their exchange. Major collaboration posts from influencers with millions of followers promoting IMC token. For example, Snoop Dogg and Wiz Khalifa. Large-scale ads, complete analytics of ads, and began large promotions with 5K to 10K daily budget. Stop right there. 5K to 10K daily budget on ads. On ads. Celebrity exposure. The last week of November. Promotion by celebrities with millions of followers worldwide. Crypto influencers and major blog sites will create worldwide exposure. Crypto influencers and major blog sites will create worldwide exposure in the cryptocurrency market. And confirmed exchanges with the IMC token will be available for trade on multiple exchanges and in the process of more. This is just November, and this is just getting started, because the real stuff really isn't happening until January 2022. So if you are able to get your hands on a token in pre-sale before any of this happens, what do you think is going to happen to the value of the token that you hold? It's not November yet. I can't say this strong enough. Even there's no guarantee, but I'm not going to miss out again. Even if they fail by 90%, I'm still going to end up at least tripling what I did, even if it fails by 90%. So you still have time right now, before the world knows about this, to get your hand on this token. Whatever you can afford. I'm not saying to put your rent money, put your mortgage, sell your car, instead of getting groceries, you're getting this. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Whatever you can afford, because there is no guarantee. But if you're willing to take the risk, because it is a risk, then I would strongly encourage you to do so, if you can afford to. A lot of you are already in the system, and you either just stuck your toe in it to see if the water was warm, or you didn't do anything at all. You're going to be hurting the most when this thing pops off. There's going to be even more news that I'm not at liberty to speak on yet. Kathy knows that I might speak on after next week. That's going to be even bigger. What's part of this. So I'm excited. I mean, I didn't know about this until, what time is it now? 30 minutes ago? I didn't know about this till 30 minutes ago. I didn't know the November layouts. And it just reinforces the live I did the other day about how. So what you want to do is, I've got this not only on my Facebook wall, but I have it on multiple groups. So I am not going to put my link for those of you that's looking at this for the first time, because you might not have been invited by me, or you might not be in my circle. So get back to whoever you know that's already involved with IMC and ask them how you can get registered and to get signed up and to get your hands on the token. You can buy the token with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even Zelle. Zelle bank account for those of you that have never bought any crypto before. You don't even have a crypto wallet. You can use Zelle with your bank account to get your hands on these tokens. But as you can see from this layout, they've got a plan. Most tokens don't even have a plan like this. They just launch and let word of mouth do the rest. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Hex. Nobody heard of Hex. Even FTT. They have a plan here and a budget and they're not playing with this. So 25 million follower reach. And you can get it through a discount right now. So that was it. I'm just excited about this. I probably might do another live tonight because this is Saturday. You know, people are enjoying their day. But I want to at least make it known that nobody can say Brandon didn't tell me about it. Brandon didn't let us know. Brandon wasn't forceful enough. Like it's my job to be forceful enough. Like I'm screaming it till I'm blue in the face. This is an opportunity, and that's all I can call it. Not a guarantee, but an opportunity. I'm not missing out. I need to get more tokens. Just let me do dream mode on you just a second, because I said my the sweet spot is 50,000 tokens. 50,000 tokens. What if it goes to $5? 250,000. 50,000 tokens. What if it goes to $25? That's 1.25 million. 50,000 tokens. What if it goes to 250? That's 12.5 million. Our $5,000 pack will get you about, I don't know, 11,000 coins or tokens, 11,000 tokens. $5 is 55,000 from 5,000. I say that because that's a gold membership pack. We have a lot of people in Nigeria that have that, $5,000. But hey, giving you the opportunity. I will see you all later. Do your own research like I did. When I was first told about WCL, I didn't take what they told me. I did my own research and figured it out myself. I was blown away. I was like, oh man, I'm not missing this. Here, take my money. Here's my 15K. All right, everybody, enjoy the rest of your Saturday. I'll see you all later. Bitcoin Brandon out. Bye-bye.